So here we have a 1950 Jeepster, and this is a Willys or a Bantam? Which one?
It's Willys.
It's a Willys. Okay, it's a little tight in here. You don't want to clean. So this is a very nice truck.
It runs beautifully. The only thing is no brakes. I got
These brakes.
The parts are cheap for this.
The 1950 Jeepster. Gotta squeeze around here a little bit. And this will be available at some point. Here in the Jeepster, all the glass, very nice. Dash, very nice. This truck is as found. Nice convertible top in good shape. All the pads look good on it. Back seat. It's a little dark in here, but upholstery, excellent. Glass, again, very good. Very, very nice truck. 4-cylinder. It's a little dark in here with a Borg overdrive. What a nice truck. And how about those white? The Al Capone Jeepster.
Look at the tread on these.
Holy moly.
Firestone. $250 a tire.
Big horns.